The Richest Man in Babylon was written in 1926 by George S. Clason, but when I read it, I couldn't believe how well the principles have stood the test of time. The 5 big ideas discussed in this book are as follows. 1. Start thy purse to fattening. You need to save money. A common theme in the book is that you must begin to pay yourself first because a part of what you earn must be yours to keep. The cost of living can quickly eat away at your income, and if you don't put anything aside, you can quickly become a slave to your job. So the first rule is for every 10 coins you earn, you must pay yourself 1 coin, or in other words, save at least 10% of your income. Number 2, control thy expenditures. Live within your means and don't spend more than you need. A budget must be made that is based on the 9/10 of the income to allow you to control your spending. If you get a pay rise, continue to keep spending at your current level for as long as possible, and save the rest if you want to build wealth. Number 3, make thy gold multiply. Once you have started to accumulate some money, you need to put it to work by investing it wisely. Your money should become your personal slave and begin working for you to create you more money via compound interest. Number 4, guard thy treasures from loss. Many people get sucked into the latest investment fads and scams. You must avoid investments that sound too good to be true at all costs. If it sounds too good to be true, then it probably is. In the world of investing, higher returns are always accompanied by higher risk. Do not trust your wealth to unqualified people or invest in untested and speculative investments. Don't invest in things that you don't understand. It's often the most complicated and in-trend fashionable investing strategies that lead the greedy and impatient to financial ruin. Don't get sucked into chasing outsized returns and following the herd, because you will probably end up following the herd straight to the slaughterhouse. Number 5, improve thy ability to earn. Always strive to become wiser and more knowledgeable by continually learning and developing skills that will increase your ability to make more money, invest your money wisely, and become more employable. This will also lead to more opportunities for promotion and salary increases at your day job. This book is full of timeless lessons and principles. A bit of sensible time-tested advice is probably more relevant now than ever. Accumulating and building wealth is something that anyone can do. Where the determination is, the way can be found.